Further activities, okay, maybe singing, dancing, table tennis, lawn tennis, cricket, aerobics, noise from the students as there was from my side, and which is actually something that I love.
So I learned how to solve many hard problems that come to our life. Like I thought of it a very intelligent way to get out of the kidnapper's hand and get to the suspect and take him out of the kidnapper's hand.
So,
My hero in life is a football player named Cristiano Ronaldo.
wow, good. So, do you play football? Thank you for this wonderful opportunity at Swarnim International School. The students have not just been responsive, but they've actually contributed to this interaction on lifestyles and how mental health issues in children can be articulated. We look to validate every child for whatever thought processes he or she is having. Nobody is a devil with any thought process. And if we want to elicit change, it has to come from within the children. And by participating and engaging them into a meaningful dialogue. I think 2 sessions of a year over the last 1 year has served the purpose, and I look forward